Hello guys, today is March 3, 2025 and still not profitable, and look at my bank account, still broke. What a sad. But I just take the challenge of FTMO account, minimum 10,000 account, and I just pass. I just wait for tomorrow because it says here minimum 4 trading days. So I just wait. What is the result of this? Hoping it will give me some profit and to withdraw and to take another challenge, because I want to build more account rather than flipping small account to a big account. So let's see. We just wait.